Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. I am Joyce Michelle, and this is another Get Ready With Me series. And so I just want to go over the products that I used. I used a lot of Maybelline products. So let's just start with the Maybelline Super Fluff for the brows. I also used one of my oldie but goodies, which is the Juvia's Place Eye Sculpt Eye Shade Eyebrow Pencil. I use the Sun Kisser in the number 03 Soul Search as a highlighter. I use the Maybelline Lifter Plump and Glow, and I'm in the number 340. I used a new product that I'm going to haul after this video, which is the Maybelline New York Cloudtopia Cheek and Lip Mousse. Yes, I used it on my cheeks and actually as a lipstick. This one is in 12. Let me see, can you all see that? Because I can't see it. Use Sephora Blur It pink powder. You know, my favorite, the Maybelline Lifter in number 90. Maybelline Lifter Concealer. I used two different eyeshadow palettes from Juvia's Place. The Warrior palette I just used for Kano, which is the brown one over here. And then I used the Nudes by Juvia's Place. So I just used the middle as the highlight, bottom one, and this one as a transition color. So yeah, that is the look. This is the look, and I'm going to do a in-depth review of this hair because I have washed her and she is still, I love this wig from Unice, and now I have a coupon code. All right, so I just want to let y'all know this is the beginning of a new series. I gotta let y'all know I also used the Maybelline Poreless Jelly Primer. I got some thoughts about that, but I'll do another video on that. Stay tuned. Everything will be linked in my LTK and ShopMy in the description box below. And hopefully you all love this Get Ready With Me.